What is it? Okay, about right there. And, oh! Whoa, everybody! Welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Hey, I got a big old shout out to all you dads out there. Happy Father's Day to each and every one of you. And what's the best way to spend a Father's Day? Well, how about it under the hood of a car, right? That's what we all live for. So, to all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. And get out there and get some metal hot, even if it's under the hood of one of these big old things. We'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, get the metal hot. Let's see, what do we got here? Ah, it's a Ford.